I welcome you all for this, I think, class number 5. So, in this video or in this class, we are going to discuss how to find angle of intersection between given pair of curves. So, in the previous class, we have discussed about uh, how to find whether the given pair of curves are intersecting orthogonally or not. Or you can say that we have shown that the given pair of curves have angle of intersection equal to pi by 2 in the previous set of problems. So here we are generally going to find the angle of intersection between given pair of curves. So as usual with the heading, find the angle of intersection of the following curves. Find the angle of intersection of the following curves. Okay, first one, let us take one by one. First one I am going to consider is r equal to a, cannot a, r equal to sin theta plus cos theta and r equal to 2 sin theta. So this is the curve I am going to consider first. Solution. As usual, you have to consider both the curves and find the angle between the radius vector and the tangent for these two curves. Call that two angles as phi 1 and phi 2. Then take modulus of phi 1 minus phi 2. That will give you the angle between the angle of intersection of these two curves. So given r equal to sin theta plus cos theta and here r equal to 2 sin theta. As usual, taking log on both sides. Taking log on both sides, we'll get log r equal to log of sin theta plus cos theta here, and this side log r equal to log 2 sin theta. If you want, you can split that as log 2 plus log sin theta, or you can keep as it is, no problem. So no further simplification needed. Differentiate both sides with respect to theta. Differentiating with respect to theta, left hand side you get 1 by r into dr by d theta equal to, so denominator will get sin theta plus cos theta. Numerator will be derivative of sin theta, that is cos theta, derivative of cos theta minus sin theta, and this side 1 by r into dr by d theta equal to denominator 2 sin theta, numerator will be 2 आगे रहता है, derivative of sin theta 2 cos theta. So your 2 to get cancelled, and I can rearrange terms in the first one as cot phi 1 equal to cos theta minus sin theta divided by cos theta plus sin theta, right? And this side cot phi 2 equal to cot theta. Now dividing both numerator and denominator by cos theta, this reduces to cot phi 1 equal to, see, you can take cos theta outside in both numerator and denominator. Here cos ಹೊರಗಡೆ ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ 1 ಉಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತೆ. sin theta by cos theta. Sin theta by cos theta you can write as tan theta divided by, similarly here cos theta ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ 1 plus tan theta. Now you can cancel this cos theta, and from this side I have phi 2 equal to theta. So this I have determined. nothing to worry about this one. I have to continue with the first one to find phi 1. So cot phi 1 equal to 1 minus tan theta divided by 1 plus tan theta, that can be written as cot of pi by 4 plus theta. ಇದು ಮುಂಚೆನ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಿತ್ತು ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ. ಆರ್ ಪವರ್ ಎಮ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಎ ಪವರ್ ಎಮ್ ಕಾಸ್ ಎಮ್ ಥೀಟಾ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಸೈನ್ ಎಮ್ ಥೀಟಾ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ಬಂದಿದೆ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ cot of pi by 4 plus theta. So from this you will get phi 1 equal to pi by 4 plus theta. So we got phi 1 and also we have phi 2, hence the angle of intersection alpha equal to, hence the angle of intersection alpha equal to modulus of phi 1 minus phi 2, that implies alpha equal to modulus of phi by 4 plus theta minus theta, therefore alpha equal to pi by 4. So angle of intersection of these two curves is equal to pi by 4. Next, problem B. This looks very easy, but there are many steps here. R equal to a log theta and R equal to a by log theta. Solution. So as usual, given R equal to a log theta, R equal to a log theta, and here R equal to a by log theta. Now again taking log on both sides, taking log on both sides, we will be getting log R equal to log A plus log of log theta, and this side log R equal to log A minus log of log theta. So differentiating with respect to theta, differentiating with respect to theta, what do we get? 1 by r into dr by d theta equal to log a, differentiate ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 0 ಆಗುತ್ತಾ, log of log theta, so 1 by log theta into derivative of log theta 1 by theta into derivative of theta 1. Similarly this side 1 by r into dr by d theta equal to log a 0 minus 1 by log theta into 1 by theta as usual into 1. So okay, from this we will be having cot phi 1 equal to theta log theta, and similarly here cot phi 2 equal to minus 1 by alpha, okay 1 by theta log theta, and cot phi 2 equal to minus 1 by theta log theta. Even if you multiply here, you will get cot phi 1 into cot phi 2 equal to theta square or log theta whole square. So from that determining phi 1 and phi 2 is difficult. So instead of that, I can rewrite this one as, so taking inverse on both sides, 1 by cot is tan, right? So tan phi 1 equal to theta log theta, and tan phi 2 equal to minus theta log theta. So I have tan phi 1 and tan phi 2, and we have this relation. We know that tan phi 1 minus tan phi 2 divided by 1 plus tan of phi 1 into tan phi 2 will be equal to tan of phi 1 minus phi 2. Now using this we'll get, we have, see, tan phi 1 we have, tan phi 2 we have. Now I can use this relation. So from this, substituting the values, I'll get tan phi 1 minus tan phi 2, theta log theta minus of minus theta log theta. So we'll be getting 2 theta log theta divided by 1 minus theta log theta whole square. That is tan phi 1 minus phi 2. Now I have to eliminate this theta, otherwise we don't get any angle. To eliminate theta, so I'll do that here. To eliminate theta, given, to eliminate a parameter we always usually, but it is not a standard, usually we use the given statement. So given r equal to a log theta, r equal to a log theta and r equal to a by log theta. So left hand sides are same, you can equate this, you will get a log theta equal to a by log theta. A get cancelled, so log theta whole square equal to 1, that is log theta is 1. So log theta is 1 means theta must be e. Theta must be e, exponential. Thus tan of phi 1 minus phi 2 equal to 2e log e divided by 1 minus e log e whole square. But log e is 1, so it will be 2e divided by 1 minus e square. Hence phi 1 minus phi 2 equal to phi 1 minus phi 2 equal to tan inverse of 2e divided by 1 minus e square. So that completes the solution. So only that problem is a bit difficult. Starting ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಈಸಿ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ಆಮೇಲೆ ಕಷ್ಟವಾಗಿರೋದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿಫಿಕಲ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿರೋ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಸೊ ದ ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಮಚ್ ಡಿಫಿಕಲ್ಟ್, ಡೋಂಟ್ ವರಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸಿ, r square sin 2 theta equal to 4, r square sin 2 theta equal to 4 and r square equal to 16 sin 2 theta. Now let us see what will be the angle of intersection of this pair of curve. So given r square sin 2 theta equal to 4 and r square equal to 16 sin 2 theta. Now as usual, taking log on both sides, we'll be getting r square sin, log I have to take, right? Yes, taking log and applying the properties of logarithms, I'm writing directly. Log r square plus log sin 2 theta. Log r square I can write as 2 log r plus log sin 2 theta equal to log 4. Similarly this side, 2 log r equal to log 16 plus log sin 2 theta. Now differentiating with respect to theta, we'll be getting 2 into 1 by r, that I can write as 2 by r into dr by d theta, plus denominator sin 2 theta into the numerator 2 cos 2 theta equal to 0, and this side as usual 2 by r into dr by d theta equal to log 16 differentiating you get 0, so denominator will get sin 2 theta as it is, so numerator 2 cos 2 theta. So can divide throughout by 2 so that this will be cancelled. Here also divide both expression or both sides by 2, so this 2 will be cancelled. Now cot phi 1 plus, okay, this will be cot 2 theta equal to 0, and this side cot phi 2 equal to cot 2 theta. So this cot phi 1 keeping on left hand side, taking this to the right hand side, cot phi 1 equal to minus cot 2 theta, and here you can directly compare the angles, you get phi 2 equal to 2 theta. So cot of minus cot theta equal to cot of minus theta, so that I can write this as cot of minus 2 theta. So from that phi 1 equal to minus 2 theta. So phi 1 equal to minus 2 theta and phi 2 is plus 2 theta. Thus the angle of intersection alpha equal to modulus of phi 1 minus phi 2. That implies alpha equal to phi 1 antandre minus 2 theta minus phi 2 2 theta. So minus 2 theta get minus 4 theta. Taking modulus, we will be getting alpha equal to 4 theta. We will be getting alpha equal to 4 theta. So I got angle of intersection. But the thing is, we have to find theta. We have to find theta. Otherwise, this is incomplete, right? We need to find angle of intersection. If it is given in terms of 4 theta, that is not the complete one. So as usual, same as in the previous problem, we need to eliminate theta. So to eliminate theta, eliminate theta in the given set of equations, then substitute here. It is given r square sin 2 theta equal to 4 and r square equal to 16 sin 2 theta. Okay, so from this we can write r square equal to 4 by sin 2 theta, right? That must be equal to 16 sin 2 theta. Okay, forget it. Okay, r square equal to 4 by sin 2 theta, and from this r square equal to 16 sin 2 theta. Equating these two, we will be getting 4 by sin 2 theta, 4 by sin 2 theta equal to 16 sin 2 theta. So 4 4s are. So from that, sin 2 theta into 4r. Okay, 4 into sin 2 theta whole square, or you can write sin square 2 theta. 4 into sin square 2 theta equal to 1. So that we can also write as 2 sin 2 theta whole square equal to 1. Okay. Okay. Let us don't worry about this. Okay, we can continue with this one. So sin square 2 theta will be 1 by 4. So sine 2 theta is 1 by 2. Even if you continue from this, you will be getting the same thing you get, no problem. So 2 theta equal to sine inverse of 1 by 2. Two theta equal to sine inverse of 1 by 2. So we get 2 theta equal to pi by 6. Therefore theta equal to pi by 12, right? Yes, pi by 12. Now substituting this in, let us call this as equation 1. Substituting it in equation 1, substituting for theta in equation 1, we get alpha equal to 4 into pi by 12. Therefore alpha equal to pi by 3. Now A, B, C, I think D it is. D, R equal to A times of 1 minus cos theta. R equal to A times of 1 minus cos theta. And R equal to 2A cos theta. R equal to 2A cos theta. Now solution as usual given R equal to A times of 1 minus cos theta, and this side R equal to 2A cos theta. Taking log on both sides, we'll be getting log R equal to, see I can write this one as log A plus log of 1 minus cos theta, and this side we'll be getting log R equal to, you can directly take that 2A cos theta, again or else you can write log 2A plus log cos theta, no problem with that. Even if you keep this as it is, no problem. Now differentiating with respect to theta, so this side I'll get 1 by R into dr by d theta equal to log A 0 plus denominator 1 minus cos theta, numerator minus into derivative of cos theta minus sin theta, minus get cancel, you get sin theta, and here 1 by R into dr by d theta equal to denominator 2A cos theta and the numerator is minus 2A sin theta. So you can cancel 2A. It will get 0 ಬರೋದ್ರ ಇವಾಗ cancel ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. So from this cot phi 1 equal to sin theta divided by 1 minus cos theta, right? This you can write 1 minus cos theta, you can write as 2 sin square of theta by 2, and numerator you can write as 2 sin theta by 2 into cos of theta by 2, and this side cot phi 2 can be written as sin theta by cos theta, that you can directly take minus tan theta. Okay, this 2 to get cancelled, one side term cancel with this, so we'll be getting cot phi 1 equal to cos theta by 2 by sin theta by 2, so that is cot of theta by 2, right? And this side minus tan theta, that can be written as cot of pi by 2 plus theta, so cot phi 2 equal to cot of pi by 2 plus theta. Now we got phi 1 equal to theta by 2 and phi 2 equal to pi by 2 plus theta. The angle of intersection, and the angle of intersection alpha equal to modulus of phi 1 minus phi 2. So that implies alpha will be actually getting theta by 2 minus pi by 2 minus theta, right? So this will be theta by 2 minus theta means minus theta by 2. So minus pi by 2 आगे आता है, theta by 2 minus theta ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ minus theta by 2. So alpha equal to pi by 2 plus theta by 2. Alpha equal to pi by 2 plus theta by 2. Now okay, again we need to eliminate theta in the given pair of equations to get the value. So call this as equation 1. Given r equal to a times of 1 minus cos theta, r equal to a times of 1 minus cos theta, and r equal to 2a cos theta. From these two you can take a into 1 minus cos theta equal to 2a cos theta. Because left hand sides are equal here, you can take right hand sides equal. So a minus a cos theta equal to 2a cos theta. Taking this a cos theta to the right hand side, a equal to 3a cos theta. A you can cancel, therefore cos theta equal to 1 by 3. So cos theta equal to 1 by 3, or theta equal to cos inverse of 1 by 3. Therefore alpha equal to pi by 2 plus pi by 2 plus 1 by 2 into cos inverse of 1 by 3. That completes the solution. So next, A, B, C, D aita, E let us try this one. R equal to 6 cos theta, R equal to 6 cos theta, and R equal to 2 times of 1 plus cos theta. This is almost the same as previous problem. There you have constant A, and here you have particular values 6 and 2. So I think you can try this one. R equal to 6 cos theta and R equal to 2 times of 1 plus cos theta. Now let us move to next one. We said E, F. R power n equal to A power n secant of n theta plus alpha, and R power n equal to B power n. Oh, so I forget A power n here. A power n secant of n theta plus alpha, and R power n equal to B power n secant of n theta plus beta. Now solution. Given R power n equal to A power n secant of n theta plus alpha, and similarly R power n equal to B power n secant of n theta plus beta, right? So taking log on both sides, will be getting, so taking log and simplifying using the properties of logarithms. So I will be getting here n log r equal to n log a. power 1. If you keep log a power n, no problem. Anyway, it is a constant term. Plus log of secant of n theta plus alpha. And here n log r equal to log b power n plus log of secant of n theta plus beta. Now differentiating with respect to theta. Differentiating with respect to theta, you will be getting n by r into dr by d theta equal to log a power n, that will be 0 on differentiation. So here log of secant of n theta plus alpha, denominator secant of n theta plus alpha, in the numerator. See, derivative of secant theta is secant theta into tan theta, alva? So it will be in the numerator secant of n theta plus alpha into tan of n theta plus alpha into derivative of this inner function. Derivative of inner function is n, so you will get n into secant of n theta plus alpha into tan of n theta plus alpha. Similarly, here n by r into dr by d theta equal to first term 0 plus same thing you get here n into secant of n theta plus beta into tan of n theta plus beta divided by secant of n theta plus beta. So I can cancel this secant term, n, here also n cancel, secant cancel, so we will be getting this side cot phi 1 equal to tan of n theta plus alpha, and here cot phi 2 equal to tan of n theta plus beta. See, we have tan here, I want to get that in terms of cot, so tan theta equal to cot of pi by 2 minus theta. Using that relation, cot phi 1 equal to cot of pi by 2 minus n theta minus alpha. Similarly here, cot phi 2 equal to cot of pi by 2 minus n theta minus beta. So phi 1 equal to pi by 2 minus n theta minus alpha, phi 2 equal to pi by 2 minus n theta minus beta. Hence alpha equal to the angle of intersection, alpha equal to phi 1 minus phi 2, which is phi 1 ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ pi by 2 minus n theta minus alpha minus pi by 2 plus n theta plus beta. Pi by 2 get cancel, n theta get cancel, so remain with modulus of alpha minus beta, or sorry, it will be modulus of beta minus alpha. You can stop here, either you can write this implies alpha equal to modulus of beta minus alpha equal to ಮತ್ತೆ alpha ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ, ಎಸ್ ದಟ್ ಮೇ ಬಿ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್. ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ, ಈ ಕೇಸಲ್ಲಿ ಇದನ್ನು ಆಲ್ಫಾ ಡ್ಯಾಶ್ ಅಂತ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ಓನ್ಲಿ ಫಾರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಕಾಲ್ ದಿಸ್ ಆಸ್ ಆಲ್ಫಾ ಡ್ಯಾಶ್, ಅದರ್ವೈಸ್ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್, ಎರಡು ಕಡೆ ಆಲ್ಫಾ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಆಲ್ಫಾ ಡ್ಯಾಶ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ beta minus alpha, that is equal to beta minus alpha if beta greater than alpha, and it will be alpha minus beta if alpha greater than beta. Better you can stop here only, modulus of beta minus alpha. So there are a few more problems still we need to discuss. A B C D E F agidala G. I'll give these problems as exercise. r equal to a times of 1 plus cos theta and r square equal to a square cos 2 theta. H r equal to a theta divided by 1 plus theta and r equal to a divided by 1 plus theta square. I r equal to a theta and r equal to a by theta. So try to find angle of intersection for all these 4 curves actually I given, and for which you don't get the answer, that can be discussed in the next class if you mention it before the class. So class ಮುಂಚೆ ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರೂ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಗೆ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಸಿಗಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ I will discuss that in the next class, then I will continue. If you don't communicate anything, then I am not going to discuss these exercise problems in the next class. So try to solve this and inform me if you don't get answer. If you don't inform me, I'll think that all of you have answers so that I can continue with the next topic. So thank you.